Okay. So tata means today. But what we're gonna do is asking questions. So we're going to be reviewing some phrases, saying some of the everyday words that we use in the house. And if you know it, get your hand up, and then I'll let you answer the question, okay? So, no toto. Gene wo no toto. CSZ raising hand. Owucheta Kodera. Na ototo. Gene bo na ototo. Dera, huh?
Ototo for morning.
Okay. But when I say na ototo, so when somebody say, when did you come to my house? I came in the morning. In the morning. How do you say that in Igbo? In the morning. Who will tell us how to say in the morning? We're not typing anything today. We're going to be listening and picking up some words. In the morning. Genebo in the morning. In the morning means na ototo. In the morning means na ototo. Okay. In the afternoon. Genebo in the afternoon. Okay. I guess I have to type because nobody is answering. Genebo na ototo. Genebo in the afternoon. Nehihie. There you go. Nehihie. Okay. If we start typing, that's gonna slow it. Nehihie means in the afternoon. In the evening. In the evening.
No, bula.
Now again.
No, bula.
Mba. In the evening. I want you, you're trying to get it, but you have to say it correctly. Okay? I have to say it, you have to. Now again. Nambwede. Kedonye kuruya. Nambwede. Kedonye kuruya. Who said it?
Ahambu Oluchi.
Oluchi kuruya. So nambwede. Now, what is in the night or at night?
I don't know that one.
In the night or at night, what is it?
Nabala.
Nabale. Mobu na anyase. Nabale. Mobu na anyase. Abale. Mobu anyase. We're supposed to know this. Everybody's supposed to know it. So what do you greet in the morning?
Ututu Oma.
Oma.
Good. Okay. In the morning. I see. We said this, but I'm going to ask somebody to tell us. But we see some people are going to miss it. So, I would like to know if you people are listening. So I'm going to ask somebody, or that we just repeated in this class now. So let's see. We'll pick on one person, Chisum Genewo, in the morning.
Otutoma.
No, Mba. Somebody told us that in the morning, and we answered in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. Here, you have to pay attention. Oluchi gwani genebo in the morning na Igbo.
Na ototo.
Na ototo. Chisom genebo in the morning.
Oh, na ototo.
No toto. Chisom genebo at night or genebo at night.
Nambwede.
Nambwede means in the evening. Onye ga-agwa anyị at night.
Abale.
N'abalị. N'abalị. I need that n'abalị. So, Chimbosama. Zizi, gene in the afternoon. Chiziterum.
In the afternoon, boo.
Edonya gagwan. Huh?
Namgbede.
Not Nambwede. Nambwede means in the evening. Racheta, gene in the evening. Oh, no. I say at night. At night, who will tell us what it is?
N'abalị.
N'abalị, daalụ, kedu onye kwuru ya? Emeka, ọ wụ Emeka? Ka ọ wụ Ebuka? Ọ wụ Ebuka? Na ụtụtụ, na ehihie. You see how it goes? Ehihie. Na mgbede. 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 See how it's spelled? N'abalị. Abale, or you can say nanyase. Anyase. I don't want anybody to forget this. So if you're saying all these words, in the morning, no total. Afternoon, nehihe. Evening, nambede. At night, nabale mo nanyase. Okay? Okay. Somebody say good morning is what? Good evening. I don't want Oluchi. No, you're not answering. Geneo, good evening. I need somebody else to answer it. Amazing. Geneo, good evening. Amazing. Geneo, good evening.
Ehihie ọma.
Ehihie ọma da. Huh? No. Ehihie ọma means good afternoon. Yeah, think about it.
Mgbede ọma.
Here you go. Dala meze. Dala. Mgbede ọma. Who will tell us how to say good night? Let me call Amarachi. Amara Nwogu. How do you say good night? Amarachi, are you here?
Kachifo.
No, Kachifo is when you say, okay. Kachifo is when you say, may the night done well, okay? When I'm leaving your house or when you're leaving. 1 second, guys. I need to bring my charger. 1 second. Okay, so plug. Okay, guys. Good night is like anyasioma. Okay, good night is anyasioma, but Kachifo is when you say, may the night done well. When you are leaving my house or when I'm leaving your house, and then if I'm leaving your house, I say Kachifo. Or you can be the one to tell me, Kachifo, then I will say, Ka-obo. All right. Oluchi, do you have a question? Oluchi, do you have a question?
Yes, my question was originally in my head, I was saying Kachifo because I think that's what I hear people say.
Yeah. Okay. So did they say it like when you are on the way, or maybe you guys went to a party at night, right? You're leaving and they are leaving, or did they say it like around 7, 8 p.m. on the road? So tell me, under what scenario?
Okay. So Kachifo is more of of a goodbye at night.
Yeah,
And
like, yeah, you're telling
okay,
somebody, may the night done well. And then you say, likewise, call may
okay,
it done well. That's what it is. So when you see somebody, for example, or maybe you're leaving work, you're leaving your place of work around, you can only use it like when you're leaving like 8 p.m. Some people go to bed, 8,
okay,
9. But if you're leaving work like 7:30, 6, you say, see you next time, see you next week, or see you tomorrow. You can't say
okay, okay.
kachifo. Yeah, you see that? But if you and I, Oluchi, we are in this at this party having fun, and most parties maybe ends like, for example, African parties. So you're living like 10, 9, then your friend will, I will say, Oluchi, I'm going to see you tomorrow. Have a good weekend. I say, good night. You see that? You cannot tell me, you can tell me, I may say good night, or you can say, Ngwanu kachifo. I say, okay, call. You see that? Or you visited me, you stayed till 8 p.m. and you're leaving and you say kachifo, nsege ka obo. But ordinarily, you can be passing me at night and say kachifo. But if you can say kachifo to me without saying good night to me, Anyasioma, you see that? You can say kachifo, maybe we just pass it, but it has to be at night.
Okay, one is more of a greeting, and then the other is more of a farewell.
One is more of a greeting, like you see somebody say good morning, good night. You see that, good afternoon, good evening. So you can say good night at night. If you don't want to say kachifo is just telling someone the night done well. You say, oh, likewise, ka-obo. You see that? So so you can use it interchangeably, but don't tell somebody kachifo when it's not yet time. But you can say good night to somebody at any time of the night.
Perfect. Okay.
But you can't say kachifo at, let's say, 6 p.m., 7 p.m. You see that? But at night, you can say kachifo, or when I'm leaving. More appropriate when you're leaving. When I'm leaving, you can say that. I can't come inside your house, you tell me kachifo. So you can say good night. You can say good anyasioma to me. See that?
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so some people, just because I say at night, you can say kachifo, then when I stepped in, instead of telling me, what do you tell me when I come to your house? How do you say, welcome?
No.
Yes, no.
Yes. No, you have to stretch it. No. Or maybe I'm back from work. Oh, a lot. Remember some people, some dialects. Everybody make sure you're listening because I'm expecting you to know this. When somebody comes home, your dad, your sibling, your friend, your uncle, your aunt, or somebody, I just stepped in, or maybe I visited Oluchi, and then Oluchi's dad or mom just came back from work. I said, oh, Yelotala. People greet like that. It's a form of saying no. Elotala, even though it was posed as a question. No, or you can say, oh, Papa, elotala. That's some people's dialect. So when you hear that, it's not a question, oh, are you back? You see that? So literally, that's what it is.
Yep.
But no, it didn't mean so. If I say that, it does not mean anything, literally. When I say, oh, elotala is a form of telling somebody you're welcome. And then your dad will say, hey, alola mo, kedekwano ka imere. He say, oh, adị m mma, kedekwano ka akwụkwọ siri ga. Oh, ọ gara ofuma, ọ gara nke ọma. So I'm saying all this because I want you to know. You can say no, or you can say, oh, ịbatala, ịlọtala, are you back? You say, hey, alọtala m. Yes, I'm back. You say that. All right. Let me see if I can ask another question. How do you say? I went to market to buy things. I went to market. Gịnị wụ market? Kedu onye ma ihe wụ market? Kedu onye ma ihe wụ market? Market wụ ahịa. Okay, how do you say I went to? Who will tell me? Who will tell me what is I went to? Huh?
Agaram.
Agaram. There you go. Agaram. I saw somebody raising hand and coming just nyemo here. Ntakiri oge. Give me a minute. Ntakiri oge. Give me a minute, okay? All right. Agaram. Agaram, you see that? I went to Ahia. Ahia means market or grocery or store. Now, Ebuka, where did you go? Agaram Ahia means I went to grocery. So Ahia in Ebola means when you go to the store, supermarket, or you went to any place you are going to buy something. Grocery means Ahia. It could be indoor, it can be outdoor, whether it's indoor or outdoor. Mostly in Nigeria or in Igbo land, it's outdoor. But in this DNA, this age we are, they're beginning to have it indoors and outdoor. Agara m ahịa ịzụta ihe. Agara m ịzụta ihe nri. I went to buy food stuff. Agara m ịzụta ihe nri. Well, we're going to come back to this. I went to buy food stuff. See that? It's a food items. Stuff is not really, okay? Food items. Okay. So agaram ahia. I went to market to buy things. Ezota in here. To buy is ezo. You see, that's the verb. To buy. Okay? To buy is ezo. Okay? To buy things. Ezota in here. Things means in here. Okay, everybody pay attention and put it together. Agara m ahịa ịzụta ihe. You see that? All right. I went to buy food items. Agaram. Okay, now see the example up there. Who is going to tell me how to say? I think I need to number them to help you out so you know the one I'm talking about. But at least you guys are doing very well. At least people answering it. I can see you're trying. You're doing very well. That's good. All right, 1 second. I'm going to put the numbers. Okay. Nkasa. Kedonye game nkasa. Agaram. I went to buy food items. Achọrọ ga somebody onwe na-eweli aka elu. Says Basel. Is it Chiamaka? Ngwa Chiamaka, gịnị wa ajụjụ gị? Chiamaka. Okay, Chidebube. Chidebube. Isharezaia, you want to answer the question?
Yeah.
Okay.
Agram aha.
He said, I went to buy food items. Remember, the first one is Ntishi. Say, I went to market to buy things. Agara m ahịa ịzụta ihe. But the nkasa, which is number 7, I went to buy food items. I didn't put market there. So when you say agara m ahịa, no.
Okay.
Okay, so, but you tried, okay? So it should be, I went to buy food. Uh-oh, I'm saying it in English. I'm sorry. It's supposed, sorry about that. It's supposed to be, agaram ezo ta ihe nri. Ke ihe nri. Ụfọdụ ga-asị ngwa nri. Ihe nri. Ke ihe nri. Food. Items will in here because you don't know which item. It's food items, okay? When you do not specifically say this, if you say I went to buy fufu, I went to buy rice, I went to buy vegetable, spinach. So that's when you start listening. But when you just say items, it's just in here. Thanks, okay? All right. Now somebody is still raising hand, but is it Chiamaka or Chukwuemeka? Do you have a question? You keep raising your hand. If you keep raising your hand and you have a question, do you have a question?
No.
Huh?
No.
Okay.
I forgot to put my hand down on accident.
Gene would know, Chukwuemeka. Chukwuemeka, if you don't know what is to know, I'm not going to be happy with you. Gene would know Chukwuemeka Igbo. Gene would know what is no. Chukwuemeka, what is no in Igbo?
No is welcome.
Hey! Is your mama gone? Is your mom there?
No, my mom's not at home.
Papa gone?
Yeah, he's right there.
Okay, tell Papa, tell your daddy until we call after class. Because Chukwuemeka, you disappointed me. You're telling me no means welcome in Igbo.
I can take it.
Hello? You didn't hear her well?
Chukwuemeka, I'm coming. Don't worry, tell daddy. Gwa papa gị na auntie ga-akpọ ya ma mmesi akwụkwọ tata. Aga m akpọ gị. Agas aga m abịa ịkpọrọ gị kpọta gị n'ụlọ. Mụ na gị ga-anọzi. Mụ na gị ga-anọ ofu ọnwa. Chukwuemeka, I'm coming to bring you to my house. You're staying with me for 1 month. But you learn Igbo.
Tell her you didn't hear what she said.
I didn't hear you well.
Chukwuemeka, I'm coming to you. I'm going to come and get you and you live with me for 1 month. Since you don't know what is no in Igbo.
No means that.
There you go. So, aga m akpọ gị ma mmesịa mụ na ụnụ ga-akpa. No bụ mba. Chukwuemeka, ị kwesịrị ịma ya. Ị kwesịrị ịma ihe wụ mba maka akụzigo m ya. Ị kwesịrị ịma ihe wụ mba. Mụ na gị ga-akpa Chukwuemeka. Aga m akpọ gị ma mmesịa akwụkwọ tata. I will call you after class today. Did you hear me? Chukwuemeka, ị nụrụ ihe m kwuru?
Did you say something?
Did you hear me?
No.
Gịnị wu no?
No means mba.
Mba.
Mba. Okay. I will call you after class, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, so everybody listen up again. Agara means Henry. Now, I want some agara means I went. Now, I want somebody to put it in present tense. I went is a past tense. So I'm going to put it here. I'm going to use PT to represent past tense. Now, who is going to put it in present tense? This is the one I want you to put in present tense. I went to market to buy things. Okay, so I want somebody to tell me how to put it in present tense.
Meaning I'm going.
I went, okay. Yeah, let me write it for you. Okay. I am going to market. Okay. I am going to market. Oluchungwan, I am going to market.
Anam abia ahia izuta ihe.
I am going to, he says Anam abia. This is exactly what you said, Oluchi. Okay. I am, let me write what Oluchi said. I am coming. He said, I am coming. So it means Anam abia. Whenever you say Anam abia, it means I am coming. I am coming. So,
Anam
Now, remember, past tense is I went to. Agaram. Now I say, I am going to. Not that I went.
Oh boy.
Now try. Keep
is it
trying.
aga?
I like that. I like the fact that you're trying. Huh?
Anamaga? I don't know.
Yeah.
Aga?
Finish it up.
Okay. Anamaga ahia izuta ihe.
No, you are going too far.
Boy. Oh,
no,
sorry.
no, stop. I stop at the market. You see that? I said,
I'm
going
to the market. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Don't say to the market. When you say now, Oluchi, I am going to market. Okay.
Okay.
Anamagahia. When you say I am going to the market, what is it? There are two different things.
Oh boy.
Anamaga nahia. Now see a big difference between there you go. Anam, but you tried. There you go. At least you didn't forget your pronouns. Anam, aga, ahia. Now, when you say I am going to the market, anam aga n'ahia. But if you say I'm going to school, versus I am going to the school. I'm going to the market. Anam aga n'ahia. You see that? Now, not only China, I need somebody to tell me I will go to market to buy food. Not Oluchi. I need somebody else. I will go to market to buy food. Food items. Kedu onye ga-agbalị nụ? Ọwụ sọ Oluchi n'ebe a. Okay, aga m akpọwazi aha. Aga m akpọ aha. Okay, Chidiebube ngwa. Remember, I say, I will. Like when you say I will, when she say I am coming, but we said I will go to. So okay, you're trying though. David, how do you put it? I say, I will go to market to buy food items. Remember, I have example up there. All I want you to do is to put it in, not in the past tense, present tense, continuous tense, and future tense. I will is future. And we have done it several times. So many examples, several examples that I gave to you guys. And we go to market to buy food items. Okay, let me see. Chiamaka. Okay, Chikaima. No, Chikaima. Oluchi, I'm here to give break in Takere. I will ask you, I'm coming. Chikaima.
Huh?
I will go to market to buy food items.
I will go to the market to buy food.
No, not today.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Did you see how Oluchi did in cast and kite nani? Nanka sato. Gino wa sato. Timer.
8.
Chikaima,
It's
gịnị wụ asatọ?
8.
8. Gịnị wụ ite naanị?
9.
Okay. Now, you see the examples there. And nke asaa, I went to, but nke asatọ said, I am going to market. It means I am going now. It's happening now. Okay. Now, the nkiri, which is 10, say, I will go to market. Okay. Well, how do you start it?
Wait. You want me to do I am coming, right? I will go.
I will go.
I'm oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah.
Okay, I see why Chikaima is putting it away. That's the dialect they use. Amagahia. Some people say amagahia. Okay, but agamagahia. Okay, agamaga ahia. Ezuta Henry. Okay, agamaga. It means I will. Agamaga ahia. Ezuta Henry. 1 second. Let me do. I need to settings to accommodate the page. So agamaga. Okay. Now, so this is what Chikaima said here. Agam aga ahia ezota ihe nri. Say that. Ihe nri. There you go. Okay. There you go. You see how to say it. Agamaga means I will go. I am going means anamaga. You are going. Okay. Anamaga. Now, I went. Agaram. You see how they go. Agaram, I went. Or you can say ejerem, the past tense. You can use those two letters I said you use to address yourself. You say only in the past tense, okay? Ejerem, agaram. So you can do that. So let's put it here. Ejerem. And say ejerem. Ezota. Agaram. Ezota. Okay. Now, who is going to tell us how to say, I am coming? Emaraya Welia Kelu. Okay. Chiamaka.
Which one?
Okay, you just raised your hand. You didn't know what I tell you to do? I say, how do you say I am coming? It's on the screen.
No. Which Chiamaka?
Oh, Chiamaka Hagu. Chiamaka Hagu is the only one raising hand here.
Anamabia.
Anamabia, yes. Nam. So that represents you. Anamabia. Okay. Anamabia. Now I need somebody to put it. I will come in the future tense. Somebody else. Anamabia. I am coming. I will come. Zizi. How do you say? No, Zizi. No, I'm asking Zizi.
Right?
No. If I don't call you, don't answer. Chiziterem, how do you say that?
Agam abia.
Agam abia. Agam abia. Okay. All right. I went. Who is gonna tell me how? I'm gonna call name. Chidubem. Chidubem on neighbor. Chioma. I went. Agaram mobo. What is the other way to say it for past tense? Agaram ma obo. What is it? Agaram. So Chioma, what is the other way to say it? Ma obo. Mobo means or. So what is the other way to say it? Agaram obu. Ejerem, there you go. Ejerem means you are listening. That's good. Okay. I will not cook food. Who will tell me how to say it? If you don't know it, lower your hand. I will cook food. Kedonye gazaya. If you know it, raise your hand. I will cook food. Chukwuemeka Ohago.
Agam Yashin.
Agam eshinri daalụ Chukwuemeka. Agam esi nri. Okay. No. It's not agam esi nri. I will not cook food. It's not agam esi nri means I will cook. But it says I will not cook food. So Zayo Fuma Chukwuemeka Kwoyo Fuma. Chukwuemeka Kwoya Ofuma.
Agamos.
Okay, your dad na agwagamba. No, you have to know it yourself. So daddy anonke na agwaya yamba. Papa ge gwarage agagi mewe ya. Another person, how do you say it? Chioma ngwa kedu ka echi ekwu ya. I will not cook food.
Agayem esi nri.
Agagim esi nri. Agagim esi nri. There you go. Okay. I will not brush my teeth. Who is going to tell us how to say that? Who's going to say it? I will not brush my teeth. Cheta or Dera?
Dera.
Dera.
Okay. I will not brush my teeth. But I am brush eze.
Again.
Brush eze.
No, how can you put English and Igbo? Brush is English, Cheta or Dera. What is brush? When I say Dera, go brush your teeth, or Cheta, go brush your teeth. How will your mom and dad say it in Igbo? Okay, let somebody else help, okay? But you tried, okay? Hello? Is Cheta there or there? There, you answered it, right?
Here.
Okay, Cheta, how do you say that? Cheta Magia Mwakonyo Zazaya Nsubadro. Let me ask Chioma Ngwa.
Agayem asa eze.
Agagem aseze. Dalu Chioma. Agagem aseze.
Excuse me, my mom's name is Chioma, but my name is Chimbuchi.
Okay, so you entered with your mom's name. Okay, Chimbuchi. So what you do next time, make sure you see the 3 buttons on the right side. You click there and put your name there, okay? Chimbuchi, okay? All right? Chimbuchi Noroya? Chimbuchi, you gotta answer me now. Did you hear me? Oh, you think you got out. Chimbuchi, did you hear me? Oh, you're still not back? Chimbuchi, are you here? Chimbuchi, are you in again?
Yes, I'm in. It kicked me out.
Okay, so it's okay. Next time, the 3 buttons on the right-hand side on top, click there and put your name there, okay? Okay, Chimbuchi. All right, are you out again? Oh boy. Okay. Okay. I am. Okay. Are you there?
Yes.
Good. All right. So, my friend will come tomorrow. Kedonya ga-ekwu ya. My friend will come tomorrow. I guess I need to ask some people who are not talking. Chukwudi Honora, my friend will come tomorrow. Chukwudi Neba. Why are you not talking? Ngwa, go ahead. Tell me, how do you say my friend will come tomorrow?
Ọ na-abịa echi.
Oh, no, you can't say Onabia. Who is coming? Who? What is friend? You know friend, Chukwudi.
Amaghị m ya.
Favor. You know friend.
Enyi.
Enyi. Friend means enyi.
Enyi.
Uh-huh.
Egabia.
No. Put it right. My friend will come tomorrow.
Enyi. I'm got.
How do you say my friend?
Enyi.
Huh?
Ga Eba.
Ga Abia.
Abia. Echi.
There you go. Now say it well now. Put it together.
Enyi ga Abia echi.
Awesome. Chukwudi got it, but you omitted my friend. So that's the word I'm looking, the two words I'm looking for, okay? Okay. Your friend. Your sister. Is coming today. Kedu onye ga-ekwu ya? Onye ga-agwa anyị how to say your sister is coming today. Okay. Chukwudi ngwanụ. Chukwudi, raise your hand. Go ahead. You don't know how to unmute yourself?
Oh, Honora.
Oh, okay, I saw Chukwudi. Okay, Chibusama ngwa.
Nwanne m na-abịa tata.
Kwuokwa ya ọzọ. Say it again.
Nwanne m na-abịa tata.
Okay, now it says your friend. I didn't say my, I said your sister. I didn't say my sister. If I say my sister is coming today, then what I said is one, you see that? But I said your sister. How do you say it? Remember your pronouns. Ebuka ngwanyere Chibusamaka. Ebuka, go ahead. Okay, wait. Ebuka, let's wait. I think Chibusama want to correct herself. Ngwa Chibusama ngwa.
Nwanne gị ka na-abịa tata.
Kwuokwa ya ọzọ. Kwuo ya ọzọ.
Nwanne gị ka na-abịa tata.
Nwanne gị gịnị?
Ka na-abịa tata.
No, you're missing something. You say one is sibling, but you didn't say sister. You want to correct yourself? Chibusama, do you want to correct yourself?
Yeah, so you said one is sibling.
But I say your sister. I didn't say. You see what I'm saying? I didn't say your sibling. If I say your sibling, then you can say one. Okay, Buka, go on now. Ebuka, go on.
Nwanne gị nwanyị ga-abịara tata.
Okay. Nwanne gị nwanyị. You see that, Chibusama? So you didn't put nwanyị. Nwanne gị nwanyị. You said gabia. No, that's not it. This is continuous tense. It's not future. I didn't say will. I said it's coming. There's a difference between will come or is coming, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Ebuka, you need to correct yourself. You didn't get it. Nwanne gị nwanyị. When you say gabia, it's wrong. It means will come. I said it's coming. Oluchi neba. Oluchi neba. Ebuka.
Yes. Yes,
Oluchi, how do you
here.
put it in continuous tense?
Continuous as in?
You see, your sister is coming today. How do you say? We started it already. Nwanne gị nwanyị. Huh?
Tata.
You didn't finish it. Where is?
Oh,
I didn't see it's coming there.
It's coming. Nabia.
There you go. So Ebuka said,
Nabia tata.
there you go. Ebuka, do you see a big difference? You said nwanne gị nwanyị ga-abịa. Ga-abịa means will come. But the continuous tense, like Oluchi said, nwanne gị nwanyị na-abịa tata maọbụ taa. Okay? So pay attention to continuous tense and past tense and future tense. You need to pay attention. Now, I have another one to put there. Let me see who is going to get it. They will come next tomorrow. They will come next tomorrow. Who is going to get it? Or who will try? Kedonye ga-agbalị nụ. They will come next tomorrow. Another one. You all came yesterday. Okay, Ebuka ngwa.
Ha ga-abịa echi.
Ha ga-abịa. Next tomorrow. I said next tomorrow. Next tomorrow is not tomorrow. Echi means tomorrow. But I said next tomorrow. Kedu onye ma ihe wu next tomorrow? Ha ga-abịa. Kedu onye na-eweli aka elu? Ọ Chukwuemeka ka ọ Chiamaka?
Chukwuemeka.
Chukwuemeka, okay. How do you say they will come next tomorrow?
Ha ga-abịa NYNC.
Ha ga-abịa gịnị?
Ha ga-abịa NYNC.
Chukwuemeka, can you say nwanne chi?
NYH.
No. Slow down, Chukwuemeka. Nwanne chi.
NYNC.
Chukwuemeka, can you watch my mouth? Nwanne echi. Nwanne echi. Can you say that?
NYNH.
No. You're not listening. Chukwuemeka, can you say nwanne?
Nwanne.
Echi.
Echi.
Nwanne echi.
Nwanne echi.
Kwuo ya ọzọ. Me say it again. Kwuo ya ọzọ.
Nwanne echi.
Nwanne echi.
Nwanne echi.
Kwuo ya ọzọ.
One echi.
Awesome. Ha ga-abịa nwanne echi. There you go. Okay. So somebody do, you all came yesterday. Chioma ngwa, ị na-eweli aka elu. You all came yesterday. Chioma, go on, go on. The time is running. Is Chioma here? Chioma is raising hand.
I didn't mean to raise my hand.
Okay. Nkechi, you all came yesterday.
Yara.
I think you're too close to your sibling. That's why. Tell your sibling to mute his or her own. Ngwa kwuokwa ya ọzọ. Nkechi ngwa.
Unu niile bịara
Unu niile bịara. Gịnị wụ yesterday? Ụnyaahụ.
Ụnyaahụ.
Some people call it echi gara aga, okay?
Okay.
Ụnyaahụ. Ụnyaahụ. Some people say echi gara aga, okay? Echi gara aga. Echi gara. Oh, what's going on here? I don't know why I did that. Oh, come on. Echi ụnyaahụ maọbụ echi gara aga. Echi gara aga. That's how you say it. Okay. Who will tell me what is Happy Christmas? What is Happy Christmas? Let's use it to close it, make it 20. What is Happy Christmas? Who knows it? I don't know who is raising hand and who is not raising hand. Let me get, who will tell us, Chioma, Happy Christmas? Chioma, huh?
Okeri Emma.
Huh?
Okeri Oma.
Mba. Kedu onye ga-agwa anyị ihe wụ Happy Christmas? Nobody knows it. Oh my God. Chimbusoma. Onye na-ekwu ya, kedu onye na-aza ya? Gịnị bụ aha gị?
Aha m bụ Oluchi.
Oluchi, ekeresimesi ọma maọbụ aṅụrị ekeresimesi. Ekeresimesi. You see how I spelled it? Ekeresimesi ọma. I don't know why this is doing this. Or you can say ekeresimesi ọma. My God. Or you can say aṅụrị ekeresimesi. There you go. You will see all this in the quiz. So you better know all of them, everyone. Okay? You have to know this. Know your everyday phrases. Ụtụtụ ọma, mama m, papa m, kedu ebe ị na-aga? No. Mba, ndo. Gịnị bụ ndo? Kedu onye ma ihe bụ ndo?
Ndo means sorry.
Sorry. There you go. Sorry means ndo. All right. I know most of you are going to end of year party, this and that. Well, we are performing tonight to dance at Elogo and Egedege. So we're performing at the Nigerian Doctors Association. So if you're going to a party tonight, have fun. Some people are doing Christmas party. So go and have fun. Dance, dance, dance. See you next time. How do you say it in Igbo, everybody?
Adios.
Adios.
Bye, Chuck.